Today, we are talking about cleansing and charging your jewelry. I don't wear a great deal of jewelry, but what I wear is often for a specific purpose. I'm also a button fanatic. As pagans, our jewelry often has spiritual or magical meaning. Cleansing and charging that jewelry will keep it working in the way we desire. Cleansing is basically cleaning. In cleansing, we are removing negative energy. There may be natural aspects of our jewelry, such as silver and crystals, that are gathering energy in their environment. This can be a very positive thing because these items are working to protect us or help us stay calm. Charging is like recharging a battery. We are adding or filling up our jewelry with positive intent. We may use certain herbs, flowers, or candles with attributes to give our jewelry certain powers or energy. Crystals have energy. They absorb energy from the earth, and after they are mined, they continue to absorb energy from the environment around them. It's like their job and the reason we are drawn to them. In particular, I feel very connected with rose quartz. So I just have this setup on my countertop in my bathroom. So here is my rose quartz. I wear this every day because it has such great protection, and I'm working in special education right now, which has been pretty stressful. I have a pretty aggressive student, and so I wear this quartz every day. And when I come home, I take it off and I just stick it in this little bowl, which has Himalayan salt in it. And so I let the crystal stay in the salt overnight. So one of the other crystals that I wear frequently is this amethyst. And as you can see, it has more of a wire binding. The wire has discolored a little bit. I do occasionally stick the amethyst in the salt. One of the other crystals that I have a moose charm. The moose is my clan animal, and it is inlaid with turquoise. So I do not stick that in the salt because the salt would not be as good for that item of jewelry, but I can place it right next to the salt, and I think it does get some benefits. But for this piece of jewelry, I also, use. So this is the lake near my house. I live in Wisconsin, and it's February right now, so this lake is frozen solid. However, in warm weather, after a full moon, I go down to the lake, gather a cup of water, and use that to rinse off my jewelry. I have also used it on ritual tools. Nature is very healing, and this is one way of tapping into its power. Smudging is a great way to cleanse. I enjoy making my own smudge sticks out of sage, lavender, and cedar. Neither silver or turquoise should be cleansed with salt, so I often smudge them. So after lighting my sage stick, I offer thanks. Then I simply pass the jewelry through the smoke. When I'm done, I extinguish the flame and can relight it for another time. This is my altar and is filled with objects that offer protection. The purpose is to charge up my jewelry and myself with positive protective energy. Now, my jewelry already has inherent energy, but this is just giving it some extra. The cinnamon and garlic have protective qualities, and the blueberries have a calming energy. Typically, I would have more natural objects, but it's winter right now. I have been working with Bastet a lot lately, so for this particular ritual, I did call on her to protect me and bless my jewelry. I left her an offering of perfume. You can check out my video on Bastet next. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please boop that like button if it was, and as always, have a very witchy day.